Welcome back, guys. Today it's Tuesday. We have intervals, more specifically the 200 meters for 10 sets with a 3 per kilometer pace, so around 36 seconds for every set. It's actually raining right now, but it's light raining, more of a shower. I can't afford to let the rain stop me. Anyway, I have good news. As you see it now, I'm recording from a camera. The SSD hasn't arrived yet, but I found out that I had an SSD already. It's an 8 gigabyte one. Let's focus here. So, I have 3 kilometers warm up. After that, I will do some stretches. Then the intervals with the 200 meter recovery jogs. And then a 3 kilometer cool down, which is close to 10 kilometers for today. Okay guys, I'm about to start the intervals, first set. Phone is all set up. And yeah, let's start. So 3, 2, 1, go! Second set. 3, 2, 1. Ah, 36 to 37. My knee hurts. Active rest, 200 meters. We're now going to do uphill sets. 2, 1. "46 to 47. Let's do the recovery jog. Go fourth set. "38 to 39. Pretty good. Let's do the 200 meter recovery. Okay, just finished. And 3, 2, 1. Or 39, I think 39. Or 39 for the 6th set. Pretty good. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1. Eight or 39. Good. We're about to begin the 9th set. Let's finish the recovery jog. 3, 2, 1. 35. Whew. Let's now jog. We're about to jump to the last set. Let's hit a PR on the uphill today. Come on, let's do this. So 3, 2, 1, go! Or 35 on the uphill. Thank God we broke a PR today. Oh, that's amazing. We broke many PRs. Like the average time of uphill is like 1 or 2 seconds less, which is crazy. And now we hit the PR here. And I think we hit the PR on the downhill. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe it was because of the incline or decline of this road. But I don't know. Still, amazing. Oh. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe. Yeah, and before I stop talking, I want to tell you that I was feeling way stronger than the 2 previous Tuesdays. So like after the recovery jogs, I was able to get back my breath. I wasn't so tired. Thank God I was able to run like 38 seconds for the uphills, and I had my breath. I don't know if it was because of the road. I almost forgot. I checked how many days are left until the race. I realized that I made a mistake. It's not in 7 months, it's in 6. And when I found that out, I was like, no, 1 month less of training. But it's still okay. We will try our best. I'm not packing up now. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, peace out.